Here we have the Volvo XC60 R Design Pro. As you can see, running on the lovely 21-inch alloys. The vehicle's got a set of brand new Goodyear F1 tyres all the way around. Finished in Onyx black, metallic. The car also benefits from the surround view cameras, the blind spot monitors, rear collision assist or detection, the Xenium pack, and the head-up display. There's your head-up unit. Driver's memory seat. You can see the interior is finished with the Nappa leather and the Suede interior. Your 360 cameras are here, so we can look out the front, we can look either side, etc. Going to the entertainment, if we go across, we've got the DAB, the Bluetooth. Here's your safety features, self-park, parking in and parking out of spaces. And there's your blind spot monitors, corner lights, collision assist or avoidance, beam bending headlights. Also got the heated steering wheel and the lovely panoramic glass roof. As you can see, you've got your heated steering wheel and heated seat emblem there and there. The car also has the adaptive suspension, which is height adjustable. So you've got a few modes on there. Obviously dynamic, the car is lowered. Comfort, the car is raised, and off-road, it is raised again. Which you've got buttons in there for loading as well.